My name's CJ Waldren, and I'm a rookie firefighter with the Waterford Regional Fire Department. There's a lot more expected of us as a rookie. First thing in the morning, you're here at 7 a.m. or before. You get everything done on the truck, you fill the truck, make sure all the medical supplies are ready to go. You know, we're cleaning bathrooms, we're cooking every single meal. It doesn't matter if you know how to cook or not, you're gonna learn real quick. It's hard, but it's rewarding too. My very first call was a car fire, so I got thrown right, to the wolves right away. Then there's some days that we do not stop at all. It's 15 calls in a day, and you're just running and running and running, and all night long. It's such a good atmosphere. Everybody's always laughing, joking. We just got to keep that good vibe going, because you might go on a bad scene or a long fire, and no matter how tired you are, you just continue building each other up. They have this thing where you don your gear, and you could be in the middle of cooking breakfast, you could be in the middle of mopping a floor or cleaning the bathrooms, and they'll come in and they'll have you run and don your gear and time you immediately. It makes sense, because you got to have that on fast to be able to go. Always be ready to go. Just now, as I'm sitting here talking to you, we're ready to go. If we get a tone, we're going to hop in and we're out. We enjoy helping somebody, if it's the smallest thing of helping them up at 2 in the morning or going to a CPR and saving somebody's life. This is one of the best jobs and rewarding jobs that I've ever had. This is where I want to be. This is exactly where I want to be sitting right now. Be safe out there.